Ever wonder why the flu seems to hit some people harder than others? It's a question that's puzzled many of us. When we talk about the flu or influenza, we're not just talking about a severe version of the common cold. Far from it. Influenza is an entirely different beast, a viral infection that can be mild, severe, or in some cases, even life-threatening. Each year, influenza wreaks havoc worldwide, with different strains circulating and mutating. Unlike the common cold, which is more of a nuisance than a serious threat, influenza can lead to serious complications like pneumonia, especially in vulnerable individuals. It's a shapeshifter of a virus, constantly changing, making it hard for our immune system to keep up. And that's why some people get hit harder than others. So next time you hear someone dismiss the flu as just a bad cold, remember these distinct differences. It turns out the flu is a far more complex and potentially dangerous virus than many people realize. What exactly is the influenza virus? And why does it make us feel so unwell? The influenza virus is a cunning little invader that wreaks havoc in our bodies. It enters our system typically through the respiratory tract, latching onto cells and using them as factories to multiply. The symptoms we experience are actually our body's response to the invasion. The fever, for instance, is our body's attempt to make it too hot for the virus to survive. Aches and pains? That's the result of our immune system sending white blood cells to fight off the invaders, causing inflammation and discomfort. The cough and runny nose are our body's attempt to expel the virus, while fatigue sets in because our body is using all its energy to fight off the infection. In some cases, the virus can disrupt our digestive system, leading to unpleasant symptoms like vomiting and diarrhea. Understanding the influenza virus is the first step to protecting ourselves and others from its effects. So, how can we protect ourselves and our loved ones from the influenza virus? Let's start with the yearly flu jab. This vaccination is our first line of defense, especially for those at high risk, including young children, the elderly, and those with certain health conditions. Next, we can't stress enough the importance of good hygiene. Wash your hands regularly, avoid touching your face, and always cover your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. Then there's the role of a healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can all help to boost your immune system, making you less susceptible to the flu. Lastly, if you do contract the flu, antiviral drugs can reduce the severity and duration of your symptoms, but they're most effective when taken within the first 2 days of illness. By arming ourselves with knowledge and taking proactive steps, we can all play a part in fighting against the influenza virus.